Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted stories on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy option. Now click on the Settings option once again. Scroll down your screen and click on Download Your Information option. Tap on the Continue button. Click on Request a Download option. Here, go to Select Types of Information option. And here you can see a list of type of information that you would want to download. Here you'll have to select Stories. Tap on the Next button. Now click on the Notify option in order to pick a delivery method. Here you'll have to enter your email address. You can also modify your format, media quality and date range according to your preference. Now click on the Submit Request option. Now you will be notified whenever your problem will be solved. And that is how you can recover deleted stories on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.